All right, check it out. We get the 2017 Subaru WRX. This is the Sport. Comes with sunroof, blind spot detection, all that good stuff. This thing's got fresh set of rubber on the STI alloys with the gunmetal coating. And then we also have our winter tires on the factory alloys. This thing's super clean. Clean Carfax. It was owned by a Subaru mechanic. Was meticulously cared for. Never missed a service. Got about 84,000 kilometers on it. Touchscreen display, Bluetooth audio, all that. Real carbon fiber trim. And then we see that again in the shift knob. This thing is super clean, super nice.